Welcome to Solidworks video tutorials. Exercise number 3. Basics of sheet metal. First, select the new part. Now pick top plane for sketching. Now select the rectangle command and draw a rectangle from the origin. Specify its dimensions as given in the manual using smart dimension command. Now under rectangle, select corner rectangle command and draw a rectangle within the previously drawn sketch. Select the edges of both the sketches and give the relation collinear. Now specify its dimension using smart dimension command. Specify all the dimensions as given in the manual. Now, after dimensioning, when the sketch is fully defined, remove the unwanted projections using trim command. Now, select the line command and draw outline of the sketch as given in the manual above the sketch. After sketching, remove the extra projection of the previous sketch using trim command. Now, specify its dimension using smart dimension command. Now, after dimensioning, under sheet metal, select base flange. Now, specify the sheet metal factors as given in the manual. Now, select the command edge flange and draw the edge flange starting from the edges of the base flange. Specify the direction of extrusion of the edges. Also use the radius of the bend and the dimension of the extrusion of the flange. In order to make changes in the profile of the extruded edge flange, select Edit Flange Profile. Then change the outline of the extruded sketch as required given in the manual. Specify the dimensions accordingly. Now, once the sketch is completed, select Finish. The required profile of the extruded flange is obtained. Now, select Hem command, which is used for folding of the sheet metal profile. Select the type of fold as required in the manual and select the edges to be folded. Select the direction of foldings. Using hem command, specify the folding profiles in the base flange as required. Change the direction and type of foldings accordingly. Now, select the edge flange command and select the edge of the center of the base flange and give the direction of extrusion of the edge flange from it. Specify its bend radius and the dimension or length of extrusion of the edge flange. Now, in order to change the extruded profile of the edge flange, select Edit Flange Profile and edit the sketch of the extruded surface. Now, select the line command and draw the profile of the extruded edge flange outline. Once the required sketch is drawn, specify its dimension using Smart Dimension command. After sketching the required outline profile, now select Finish in the pop-up box. Now select the face of the base flange and give sketch. Select the slot command and make a slot over the base flange face. Specify the dimension of the slots to be produced over the face of the base flange. Specify all the required dimensions as per the manual. Now select the after the dimensioning of the slots from the edges of the base flange is given, then draw a circle using circle command over the lower faces of the base flange. Specify its dimensions too. Once the required sketchings are made over the base flange face, now in features select extrude cut, specify its end conditions, then give OK. That's it. Our sketch metal part is done. Now, in order to measure the total quantity of the sheet metals which are required to produce this component, select flatten command and measure the quantity of the sheet metals. After measuring, bring back to its original state. That's it.